everybody, I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
And I'm Zachary.
And together we are Fun King 3D, and today we're going to bring you September's Maker Box. And just like last month's, this one is a little bit late, and that was really just because of Earth. But regardless, it's here now, and you get to see it. And actually, you might remember from last month's episode.
Previously on Fun King 3D.
So there's one more thing in the box, and it's actually kind of special, and we're actually going to have to talk about it in the next episode. But so here it is, and we're going to go ahead and unlock it. And you know, last month we got some Nerds candy in the box, but
I want to open it.
what?
I want to open the box.
I'm opening the box.
No, I want to open this box.
Hey, look, there's Nerds in there. Here, you can have those. So, alright, so I'll break out the handy dandy official Fun King 3D box opening knife provided by Tom, a 3D printing llama. Hey, you just gotta get the knife down, and there you go, down in the groove. You're actually in the lid. Scare me, boy. There you go. Then just drag it across.
Oh my gosh, I can't do it.
It's just tape, man. It's not like you're cutting stainless. Alright, don't open it upside down.
I want to open it upside down.
Yeah, but then everything falls out.
Oh my god.
Oh, those look pretty good.
You can have the rest of the box.
I get the rest of the box? Well, you gotta show the people. What'd you get?
Trolley Sour Bite Crawler Minis.
Alright, so with every Maker Box on top is all of the paperwork. But read this, talking about the subscription referral. If you are a Maker Box subscriber, which I don't know why you'd be watching this if you are, other than to see that guy. But you know, you can refer people and earn a free box. So the information's on that yellow card.
Sticker.
We got some DOS filament. DOS filament sticker. That's a big sticker. It's like almost bumper sticker size.
And it's a pipsmountain.com sticker.
And a pipsmountain.com sticker. Now, Pips Mountain is
a great product.
A new branch that MakerBox has started, and what it is role-playing gaming dice. And if you are a MakerBox subscriber already, then
you can use the code promo. You can use the promo code, and you get like half off.
Special price of $24.99. So it goes from 40 to 24.
It's an advent calendar.
So
every
yeah,
month.
it's really cool. Xander got one, and it comes with a month's worth of dice. And if you're impatient, you can just open them all at one time. Otherwise, you can open them one daily. So you get like 30 dice in the box, and so far they've been really cool, and the colors on them have been really neat.
You don't get any normal black and white dice. It's
right.
Always
it's
something.
all multi-sided.
It's always something special.
Yeah. Must have all the shiny math rocks that go clickety clack.
Yes, all
math
the
rocks that cracks me
shiny
up.
math rocks that go clickety clack.
So, all right. So am I starting?
No, that doesn't have enough words.
Really, I like that one.
Fine.
All right, so what excites me about this is it is a metallic blue, but it's a PETG, which, you know, it's about time that they start coming out with some prettier PETGs. So this is by DOS Filament, and it's metallic blue PETG with a hot end temperature of 210 to 240 degrees. Bed temperature not listed. Well, knowing PETGs, you're going to want to be like 70, 80, 90 degrees depending on your bed surface. If you're printing on the Prusa textured bed sheet, I print at 90 to get it to adhere. Speed is not listed. Cooling, low to none. I don't think I run any cooling at all on my PETG, but PETG is a cool metallic blue color. Oh, PETG in a cool metallic blue color. Great for functional prints with a little bit of pop from the color. This is made in Germany, and again, that's DOS Filaments, and I really like that. Hope that color comes across on the camera well, because it is beautiful. This is one of those filaments that I'm going to be really excited to use, but I'll I want to save it until it's something special, because I have that mental hang
I need to read this one. This is 3D Fuel, and 3D Fuel are good people. So this is the Dow Evolve 3D OBC with a hot end temperature of 175 to 210. It's a little bit flexible, I guess.
Okay.
They make flexible things.
Okay. Well, Dow is a chemical company that makes all kinds of chemical things.
And 3D Fuel is a great filament company.
3D
I'm not
Fuel
getting
is
paid.
a great.
I'm not getting paid to say that. It just truly is a great filament. Hot end temperature 175 to 210. Bed temperature 60 to 100. Speed 10 to 40 millimeters a second. No fan, and it will stick best to polypropylene.
Good, yeah, polypropylene.
To polypropylene tape, packing tape. Evolve 3D olefin black poly OBC printing filament.
Copolymer.
Okay. Printing filament is a high-performance 3D printing build material that prioritizes sustainability across the product life cycle. Made from a unique polyethylene based
Polyethylene.
Ethylene. Polyethylene.
There you go.
Based material. The Evolve 3D OBC filament is a breakthrough material that brings polyethylene properties to 3D printing. Very low density for light, strong parts. For more information, 3dfuel.com.
Made in the USA. Okay, so, and it's not Evolve 3D, it's Evolved, I think. I think they just did a play on the whole 3. I think it's supposed to be Evolved. OBC.
Oh, whatever.
But, you know, whatever. These 3D people, 3D printing people are crazy as far as their people who put a 3 in place of an E on a slicer, and then people want to call it slick 3R.
I know, right?
It's really slicer.
Come on.
So this, being that it's it's definitely a more performance filament. So, but it is a little bit. It's not as rigid. So that's interesting. Ooh, that one's pretty. Oh. All right, there's not a card for this one, but I think I can take this one off the cuff, because what we have here is a Mosaic palette keychain in the bag with it, and then an advertisement for the Mosaic palette, and I'm fairly sure that this is just a random generated sample out of a palette, because the palette can take in multiple rolls and just randomly cut it into, and I think that's what that is just a random transition made by the guys over at Mosaic, and guys and gals, sorry. And there's also a little
now, is this exclusive? Does it say if it's exclusive?
It doesn't actually say anything. It's just a Mosaic advertisement.
Wow.
But they even put a little desiccant pack in there, and then this is red, orange, and yellow filament. And let me see if I can show you. Look how clean that transition cut is right there. I mean, it just one stops and the next one's there, and it's perfectly smooth. There's no lump there. So that palette is an amazing machine, and I truly believe the FK1 needs one of those.
This is so cool.
That is cool.
So it's Sunrise Glimmer PLA with a hot end temperature of 190 to 210, a bed temperature of room to 45 Celsius. The speed is not provided by the manufacturer. You need cooling. Plus 3D Sunrise Glimmer PLA is a special edition. It produces beautiful orange with sparkly effect. It prints well on most printers such as Prusa, Raise 3D, Craftbot, Creality, FlashForge, or Artillery, etc. etc. Whatever. And then it gives us a coupon code for that, and it is Plus 3D, manufactured in China.
Yeah, see, now I don't know if I should share that.
I don't know, so that's why I didn't say it.
So yeah,
you need a maker box if you want to get coupon codes.
Yeah, I think I am going to block that out, only because it's really only fair for the people who buy the maker box to get the coupon. So we wouldn't want anybody cheating and using that coupon. What?
No.
I don't know. That color is amazing though. I don't know. Hang on one second. Let me see if I can. Look at the color on that. That is amazing. That is like an orange with a gold flake in it. I want to print a bowling ball. Has anybody printed a 3D bowling ball? 3D printed bowling ball?
Why would you?
Because that's like a bowling ball color.
No.
Yeah. All right. What do you got there, boy?
This
How
is
come I don't get to read anymore?
because these are special and they don't have that many
This
words.
box was awesome.
Yeah, like I automatically know what we can print with this.
Okay.
Alien. An alien.
Okay.
An
You
alien
realize it's
filament.
glow in the dark.
Yeah.
Okay. Read
Exactly.
it.
That's why we. So it's glow in the dark green PLA with a hot end temperature 195 to 215 Celsius. The bed temperature room to 60. The speed is not provided. Yes, you need cooling. It is a glow in the dark filament. Is abrasive. A hardened nozzle is advised.
Yeah, glow in the dark. If you were only to print that much glow in the dark, you'd probably be okay. But if you run an excessive amount of abrasive filaments, you will bore your nozzle. So, and I don't mean like make it bored. Like, oh, this is so boring. I mean that the hole will no longer be whatever size it was.
This is a high-quality PLA filament, highly loaded with glow-in-the-dark filler for a long, bright green glow.
Oh, that's exciting.
And it is manufactured in USA by
King Village Plastic.
I couldn't see the King.
It doesn't print very well.
It really doesn't.
So Village Plastics. I mean, people know who Village Plastics is. So, but yeah, we only have one other glow-in-the-dark filament, and it.
But that just looks like the perfect alien.
It's Hatchbox. This
Yes.
is what we have, and it's it looks white. It looks white when it's just regular, with just a slight hue of green. This is a very cool color as it is, and I'll try to get an image of this. I'll charge it up and take a picture of this in the dark, and I'll insert that here into the video. So
Well, that's it.
another month gone by, but you know what? This was an awesome box. Not that they're ever not awesome, but this one really had some really cool stuff in it. So hats off to MakerBox. Good job on this one. Now you're gonna have to step your game up because you've set the bar high. So let's hope that October's box is yeah, you can keep that out of there. Let's hope that October's box beats this.
Oh, yeah.
If you don't already get a MakerBox, there is a link in the description below, as well as a coupon code. Save yourself a little cheddar. That link down there, it is a affiliate link, but not for any other reason than tracking, just so that the guys over at MakerBox know that we're doing our job. But the MakerBox does already take care of us with these. What are you doing?
It's mine now.
No, that's got the coolest filaments.
No, it's mine now.
Previously on Fun King 3D.
You can have the rest of the box.
I get the rest of the box. But check them out. Do yourself a favor and get at least one box.
Yes.
I think then you will be hooked on it, and you will want to keep going longer and longer and longer. There's like a whole nother stack behind that stack.
And while you're going to the description, make sure you hit that like button and press that subscribe button. Ring the bell for notifications so that you never miss a video or a stream ever again.
That's right. The thumbs up is greatly appreciated. It makes Zach very happy. He doesn't like the thumbs down. It makes him cry.
Yes.
And you don't want to make that.
No. Wow, okay.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope to see you here next month for MakerBox and everywhere in between for every other video that's coming out. And I think that's it for this month's MakerBox. And as always, until the next time, print on.
I'm just getting tired.